Welcome to SocialAI.ng, the future of social media management powered by AI. My name is Feromi Michael, the founder and CEO of SocialAI. And without further ado, let's dive into SocialAI demo video. So what exactly is SocialAI? This is an AI-powered social media management tool to automate, schedule, and broadcast your content on all social networks with just one click. Imagine managing all your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which is currently called X, YouTube, LinkedIn, Google My Business, Telegram, and so on and so forth from just a single and powerful dashboard. With SocialAI.ng, you can automate, you can schedule, you can broadcast your content across all social networks with just one click. You can also create stunning posts using AI-generated text and images. You can also plan ahead with our intuitive scheduler and streamline your workflow with bulk posting and team management, which is very wonderful for different businesses. If you are a content creator, a digital marketer, an entrepreneur, a startup founder, a freelancer, and so on and so forth. So this actually fits into every type of business you are into. So let's go directly to the dashboard so that I can show you everything you can actually do on SocialAI, right? So on this dashboard, this is where you can see your analytics or your metrics, which is going to be the report of the posts that you've done through this platform, right? So if you come to this accounts management right here, you can see we have different menu right here: account management, bulk post, file manager, composer, schedules. We also have different menus right here, like draft, schedules, account manager, file manager, AI content generator, tools, themes, and so on and so forth. So I would like you to make sure you watch this video to the end so you can be able to understand everything that you can actually perform with this tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to the account manager. So in this account manager, this is where you can add your social media accounts. And mind you, this platform is integrated with the official APIs of all these social media platforms, right? So you don't need to make use of proxies, or you don't need to have the fear of account blocking and so on and so forth, right? And you can also manage multiple accounts or multiple profiles from this particular dashboard, right? So if you're a social media manager, you have different clients that you're helping them to manage their Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter profile, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn pages. So you can add all the multiple pages with just a single click, right? So let us dive right into it. The first thing you're going to do is to make sure you add your profiles and pages with this account manager. So what you just need to do is to click on this. So I have added profiles and pages that I'm going to be using for this demo video, right? So once you've added the pages and profiles, the next thing you need to do is to come to Composer if you want to compose any posts, right? So in this Composer dashboard, you can see we have the section for media, we have the section for link, we have the section for text. What does this actually mean? So this section for media is if you want to make a media post like image, video, PDFs, and so on and so forth. But this other section, which is the section for link, is where you are going to input your link type posts, right? Link type post with thumbnail, with caption, and so on and so forth. This section is for plain text if your post is just a plain text without link or without media, right? So let us come down to media. I will be showing you other features you can actually perform right here. You can integrate your Google Drive directly to this platform so that you can be able to copy your images. Let me say you upload your images, or you have your posts on your Google Drive, or you have it on other clouds, right? So you can easily integrate it from here and add them directly from your Google Drive to SocialAI, right? So another thing is that you can upload custom media. So if you want to upload custom media, what you just need to do is to click on this button right here. So let me do that. So once you click on it, it's going to load your file manager so that you can be able to select any media you want to use. So let me use this for an example. Let me upload this particular media, even though I already have it here, but you can see it's loading, and right here you can see the media is already added successfully, right? So another thing you can do is these advanced options. Under these advanced options, you can search for media online like stock images, stock videos directly from the dashboard. So let me show you how that can be done. So let me say, for example, I want to search for fitness. So I can decide to select the platform I would like to search my stock image from Unsplash, from Pexels, Photo, and so on and so forth. So let me just click on search. So you're going to see the magic voila. So it's going to load different fitness images or any kind of image that you're actually looking for directly on the dashboard from Unsplash, from Pexels for you. You understand? Let me say, for example, I'm actually okay with this. All I need to do is to select, click on save. You can see, so it's going to upload that image on my dashboard right here. You can see all I just need to do is to select it. It's already added. And another wonderful thing about this tool is that you can be able to preview how your post is going to look like across all social networks. You can see how the image is going to look on Facebook, how it's going to look on Instagram, how it's going to look on Twitter, which is X. You cannot post images on YouTube, so that is why it's not showing the preview. This YouTube is for videos. You can see how it's going to be on Google My Business, how it's going to be on LinkedIn, Telegram, and so on and so forth, right? So now, another thing I need to do is to select the profile. I need to select the profile I'm going to use right here. So let me select Facebook page. Another wonderful thing I can do is to select all the profiles and decide to post on all of these at once, right? So that is actually one of the major features that we created this tool for, whereby if I actually have a particular content and I have different social media platforms like Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and I want to spread this particular content across all these platforms, I don't need to start going to each of these platforms one after the other so that I can be posting them one by one. That won't be easy for me, right? And I'm going to get tired easily. So this tool is actually going to help you to select everything at once and just make the posts at a time, right? So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me input my caption. So this is a demo caption, and you can see it also shows how my caption is going to look on each profiles. There are also unique features for Instagram and Facebook, whereby you can select if you are actually posting a normal media, a link or text, or you are posting a reel. And don't forget, if it's going to be a reel, that is a video reels that people post on Facebook and also Instagram reels, right? So you need to specify right here, but right now we are actually posting a media because this is not a video, obviously. And on Instagram as well, you can also specify if it's a story, whereby it's going to post directly to your story, your Instagram reels and media, right? You can also post a carousel by selecting multiple images that you want to use as a carousel for your Instagram, right? So that is one wonderful thing you can also do with this tool, right? So this is really going to help you a lot. Another thing you can do is you can actually save your caption, right? If your caption is so good that you don't want to lose it or you want to use it later on, so you can save your caption. So let me just say fitness 1. So once I click on post, my caption is going to be saved, and I can be able to get this under these tools and caption later on. Another thing you can do is you can generate your content with AI. Don't forget, everything I'm doing here on laptop, I can also do it on phone. Everything works on both laptop and phone, or even tablet. It works across all devices, so everything can be done on any device, right? So now another thing is the AI generate related content. We have several templates or several prompt templates that we've actually included for each social media that you want to use, or any kind of industry that you want, and we can also improve this later on by adding more industries or adding more prompts that you can use. So let me say, for example, I'm a fitness trainer, and I will just select that under fitness trainer. I can be able to see several templates, prompts templates I can use to generate my content. You can see this first one: create a post featuring your favorite healthy lunch recipe, write a post about the benefit of using wearable fitness technology, create a post showcasing your favorite exercise for building balance and stability. So you can see, you can just click on that prompt, select any language you want to use. You can see, let me use English UK. You can also put approximate word, that is the total number of words that you want the whole content to approximate to. Also a tone of voice. You can select your tone of voice if you want it to be polite, witty, enthusiastic, friendly, funny, and so on and so forth. Creativity, economic, average, good, or premium. Can also tell it to input hashtag. Don't forget, this tool is actually integrated with OpenAI Premium, whereby you can be able to use premium and advanced OpenAI directly from this dashboard without subscribing on OpenAI, without subscribing on any AI out there, right? So you can decide to select the number of hashtag that is actually ranking currently for that particular post or for that particular niche, and the number of results you will want the AI to generate out, right? You need to select as well. Then what you just need to do is to click on generate, right? So once you click on generate, it's going to generate the content for you. So let me go back. Another thing that I've not shown you is the AI image. The same thing with the AI image. So if you actually don't have a design, you can just decide to generate an image for that particular design with AI, and it's going to be generated for you automatically. So that is how that works. Another thing is, there is a particular feature that this has when you want to post on Instagram. You already know that you cannot include a link into your Instagram caption, right? But you can actually include links to your comments. So the feature is that you can include your link inside this first comment, whereby it will automatically post the first comment for you after publishing the content, right? So let me say visit www.SocialAI.ng, right? So all what I will just need to do is to publish my work. So, but before I do that, we have different options to do that. If I want to publish this immediately, I want to publish on all the selected profiles immediately, right? You can see everything has been selected. All the ones that I want to use has been selected already. So that's if I want to publish immediately. And if I want to schedule and repost, right, I can make use of this, whereby I'm going to input the time and the day I want this to be posted. And don't forget, you can create or schedule unlimited number of posts. Even the posts for the next few years, you can schedule it from here. You understand? And just leave everything will be automated, be posting without you doing anything, right? So interval per post. Don't forget, this feature is the schedule and repost, whereby this one would actually be able to repost a particular content that has been posted previously, right? So let me say I want the interval per this post to be 120 minutes, that it should repost it again. Then I will just put it in. And the repost frequency, I can also do that. If you want the repost frequency to be after 2 days, after 4 days, after 10 days, right? You should keep reposting. So that is the feature for schedule and repost. So the next feature right here is the specific day. You understand? You schedule for a specific days and time, right? So this one, let me say I want to post by 24th by 12 p.m. right? All I just need to do is to set it and click on done, right? If I want to add more schedule time to it, I can also do that as well, right? If I want to do that it should still repost on 25th, I can do that as well. So after I'm done with that, all I just need to do is to click on this button called schedule, right? So another thing is, let me say I want to just save this content or this whole format. I want to save it on drafts, right? All I just need to do is to select this option of drafts and click on save as draft. So once I click on save as draft, let us do that, I can come back to the post and schedule it or do whatsoever I want to do without losing any of this editing I have done right here, right? So let me save as draft. You can see content successfully scheduled. Then what I'm going to do is to come to this option right here called drafts. So here we have it. Here we have it for drafts. So let me click on edit. Then you are going to see. So you can see we still have the contents. We still have the post. We still have the image. Everything saved right there. Yeah. So you can see it. So let me go back to my composer. Let me compose a new post all over again. So you can see that this can be done multiple times for unlimited number of times, and also unlimited number of people you're managing their accounts or your own profiles and pages, your business profiles and pages, and so on and so forth. So fitness, life, I'll be selecting multiple this thing here, LinkedIn, social, okay, X. So let me come to immediately. I'm going to be posting it now so that I can be able to show you how the post is actually going to be after everything is being done. So let me click on send now. So you are going to see that everything is already being done in the background, all after clicking on the button. So you can see that it has posted to all the profiles already. So how would you see everything that has been posted? You just need to come to these schedules right here. You go under schedules, then you come to publish. So this queue is to show you if you have any scheduled posts, right? You know, the post we just did right now was not a scheduled post. It was an immediate post. So let us come to publish. Then we'll be able to see all the contents we've published. You can see 23rd. Let me open that. You can see all the contents that it has been published to all our social media within few seconds without moving to Facebook posts, Instagram posts. So how many people do I want to actually hire to start doing that? So that is actually going to take a lot of time. So how would you be able to view your post and check if it has actually posted on your profiles, right? So you just need to click on this button right here. You can see view post. Let me do that. So it has actually copied posts right here. You can see the wonderful thing that this has done. That is the one that we posted on the Facebook page. So this one is on the Instagram profile. So let us do that. Let us view that as well. So we have it. So this is for the Instagram profile, also posted successfully. So let us check for LinkedIn profile. So we have it here as well. You can see the one we posted on LinkedIn profile, right? You can see how wonderful that is. So let us check the one on X, which is Twitter. So everything is going to load up so that you can be able to see how it works. So here we have the posts on X as well. You can see I don't need to actually start going to each of these platforms one after the other and start checking. So it's the same thing works with Telegram. The same thing works with LinkedIn page. If you have LinkedIn business page, the same thing works with Google My Business. The same thing works across all the social media networks, right? So let me just show you how to do other things right here. So this queue is to show all the scheduled posts you have actually done, right? It's going to show you all the scheduled posts, whether you want to delete, you want to edit, or you want to do other things, right? So let me do that. I will need to show you that as well, how you can actually schedule. I'm going to live a schedule right now. So let me just select this as an example, right? So this is just an example. So let me just select 2 profiles or pages and schedule specific days and time. Let me do that 24th by 12 p.m. done, then schedule. So content successfully scheduled. You can see just within few seconds I can be able to make my post across all social media, schedule my post without having any issue at all, right? Without going on sitting down on different social media networks, thinking of what to post, thinking of ideas. I can use my AI content generators. I can do so many things, right? So now all schedules queue. You can see the schedule I just made right now on 24th. You can see it's on schedule, right? By 12 p.m. So by 12 p.m. this post is actually going to publish successfully. So if I actually want to edit, I can also click on edit. If I want to delete, I can click on delete. Let me show you how that can be done. Let me click on the edit. It will take me back to the composer. You can see that's taking me back to the composer, whereby I can edit my posts and update my post or reschedule my post. So let me say I want to delete. I don't want the post to schedule anymore. All I just need to click on is the delete, then okay. So you can see success, it has deleted successfully. That is how it works. Another thing is, let me come down to the section of file manager. So this section of file manager, this is where you can actually upload your images or your contents, your media. You can upload videos and PDF. You can see PDF, CSV, and it's going to group everything for you right here, and also other documents. So you can do that from here so that you can be able to use it later. You can also create folder. Let me say I have different businesses I'm managing. Let me use social. Let me use one for social AI, a folder for social AI. Let me have another folder for DGT Tech. You can see how wonderful this is. So I can even decide to move the contents, right, that are for DGT Tech into DGT Tech folder, contents that are for social AI into social AI folder, and so on and so forth. That is how wonderful that is. Or I can also open it from here and upload into a specific folder so that I can be able to know what is what, right? So I can be able to know the contents for each of these profiles. You can see this one is under DGT Tech. So when I open DGT Tech folder, I will be able to find this content right there. And if I want to delete my contents, that can be done as well. I just need to select it from here and click on delete, right? You can see how wonderful that is. Another thing that can be done is when you click on this, you can be able to edit. You can be able to edit your image, right? You can be able to edit your image. Let me say I want to tint my image to something like this. I want to multiply my image and also select a color, or maybe I have a particular color code I'm using for my business, right? I want to blend. I can do that as well. So, and so on and so forth. So these are different things you can do. It also has an editing this thing. So I want to filter. You can see that filter looks so great. Grayscale, invert. You can see. So you can do so many things from here. Let me say I want to add a particular shape. You can see. So fill. Let me say I want to add a particular shape to it. So you can say I have an editor as well. Everything can be adjusted. So, and I want to add a text. So let me input my text. So if I want the text to be aligned to center, so I have this right here. So if I want to mask, I can also mask. So I can load a masked image, like an image to mask on it as well. So you can see how crazy that is. You can see. So this is the image I want to mask for an example. So I can also apply that. So I can also place my logo on this, and so on and so forth. And I can also delete. I can delete anything I don't need. I can put icons, arrows. You can see custom icon. I can do that as well. Upload it from my file manager. I can also delete. So I can do all sorts of things from this dashboard alone. I can also decide to crop if I want to crop to a particular size or a custom size that I'm just going to crop it. Let me say this is the size of what I need. Then I'll be able to crop. I just need to click on apply. You can see that. So this actually has a lot of features. Yeah, it actually has a lot of features, you can see. So that is it about the file manager. So when we come to this AI content generator right here, this section of AI content generator is where I've shown you the other time, where you can get prompts. You can get prompts, fun prompts, educational prompts, call to action prompts, promotional prompts for ad, company related prompts, entrepreneurs prompts, NGO, marketing agency, realtors, fitness, restaurant photographers, and so on and so forth. So you can get even prompts for each social media. So let me say, for example, let me select this prompt: produce a Facebook status about the benefits of. Then this means topic. I'm going to input my topic right there. Let me use this one: write an engaging Facebook post about the company described below. So I'm going to describe the company below. Let me just say SocialAI is an AI powered so you understand that is how this actually works, all from one dashboard. So when you come to these tools right here, you can be able to see the captions that you have saved, right? So I saved a caption the other time, and this is where we can be able to access that kind of caption. And if you want to add new captions, right, you can also give your caption title. Let me say fitness 2. So I can just input anything, or let me just say, for example, social AI posts. Let me use that as caption. I can use emoji. If I have a particular emoji that I want to use, I can use that as well, right? See how wonderful that is. Then I click on save. I will have my caption, right? That is how wonderful this is. You can see this is the caption right here, and I can come to it anytime and make use of it anytime I want. So if I want to delete caption, I can do that. If I want to edit caption, I can do that as well. When I come to under tools, I can come to group manager. So this group manager means, let me say, for example, you are a social media manager, or you are actually the one managing your social media account as a business owner. So you can click on add new group manager. Let me just say this group manager is for gratified tech. So all the accounts, or all the profiles or pages that are meant for gratified tech, I am going to add everything to a particular group, which is this gratified tech group. How do I do that? Let me say this is for gratified tech. This is also for gratified tech, gratified tech. So I want to make sure that anytime I select this group, it is going to automatically select all these profiles and pages for me to post on them at a time. So let me click on save. You can see that success. So now you can see gratified tech has 4 accounts. If I also want to create another one, let me say for SocialAI, right? SocialAI. Let me say these are for SocialAI. I can save that. So I would have another group as well. So let me come to Composer. Let me show you how this actually works, how I can make use of the group. So let me click on please select profile. All I just need to do is to select this from here and click on the group once, and it has automatically selected everything, or all the accounts and profiles on that particular group, right? So let me go to tools again. Another thing you can do is watermark. So if you want to watermark your post, you want to make sure you watermark your post, whereby anytime you send a particular post or publish a particular post, your logo is going to be there. Majorly those people that are going to be using stock images, you understand, if you are using stock images, your logo has to be there so that it's going to be branded, right? It's going to be branded. So you can also set the transparency of how your logo is going to be, or your watermark is going to be, the size of it, the position. You want it to be up, side, center, side, bottom, and so on and so forth. You can do that here as well. So you just need to upload your logo from this button right here, then you have it. Cool. So that is how the watermark actually works. So another thing is theme. Let me go to this theme section. So in this theme section, you can be able to add your team members. Let me say you are not the one managing this dashboard. You have a social media manager. So you can easily add your social media manager to your dashboard, whereby you'll be able to see everything your social media manager is doing. Your social media manager, you don't need to give your social media manager your username or password, right? Or let me say probably someone, you are the one actually working for a particular person. You just want the person to be able to see the post you are posting for him or her, right? So all what you just need to do is to add the person to your team. So the person can be able to control whatsoever you give the person access to from his or her side. Look at it. So you can select what to give the person access to, probably just to be able to view the schedules that you've made, right? To be able to view your drafts, your blog posts, to be able to control your composer. That means the person will be able to compose posts from his or her side as well. Also be able to view your dashboard, and so on and so forth. You can see everything right here. So you can decide to select everything. That is if you want to give the person access to everything. So the person just needs to sign up on SocialAI.ng. You input the person email right here, then select the permission that you want to give the person, then submit. The person is going to receive an email to accept the permission, and that is it. So this is going to be the end of this demo video. I have explained everything, or almost everything, not everything actually, almost everything, or the major things that you need to understand about this tool and how it will really help you with your posting. Also, don't forget you can do the same for YouTube. Your YouTube videos, schedule your YouTube videos from here, and the YouTube video, you can be able to connect it with your channel. Start scheduling your videos, scheduling your posts, whereby you won't be able to run out of posts, because you cannot post everything in a day. All what you can do is to schedule your posts. Once you schedule your post for days, you don't need to manage it and be scared of not posting. Everything is going to be automated by itself. So thank you. Bye.